Hi student, how are you all? Welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 10 chemistry chapter 3 metals and non-metals. Most of the part of this chapter we have discussed earlier. So today we discuss refining of metals, and in before refining of metals we have discussed many extraction of metals and their different process, how to extract the low reactivity of metals, medium reactivity of metals, and high reactivity metals. Already we have discussed. So after this is the process of refining of metals. This process are applied after the reduction process. Okay, in the reduction process we are get the metals, and in this process we are the metals are refining to get the pure metals. So the metal like copper, tin, nickel, gold, and silvers are refining by the electrolytic process. Okay, which process? Electrolytic process. In electrolytic refining process, we use two electrodes, that is one are the anodes and one are the cathodes, and we require a electrolyte also to dissociate the ions. Okay, so in this electrolytic refining process, the anodes we are taken impure metal. Okay, impure metal are taken as anode, and a thin strip of pure metal. Okay, pure metals are taken as cathode. Okay, so this is a strip of impure metals we are taken as anodes, and strip of thin metals we are taken as cathodes. And here a electrolyte are used as their salt solutions. Okay, salt solutions are taken as electrolyte. Okay, electrolytes. Okay, three main importance. This is the one are the impure metals. This is we are taken as anodes. One are the pure metals taken as cathodes, and the salt solutions, the metal salt solution, this is are taken as electrolytes. Okay, we have discussed one example of this process. Suppose we are taken the copper metals. Okay, so a strip of impure metal or impure copper metals we are taken or fitted at anodes, and a thin strip of copper metal or pure copper metals we are fitted at cathodes, and both the terminals we are connected a electric source. Okay, and here electrolytes we are taken as the water acidified copper sulfate solution. The electrolytes we are taken acidified copper sulfate solutions, and when that time we are passing the electric currents. Okay, so here the copper metals are start dissociate. Okay, the copper metal are start dissociates or ionize, and they are migrate towards cathodes. Okay, and the pure copper metals are deposited the cathodes, and the impurities which are the present in the impure coppers which are the deposited the bottom of the anodes, and this is known as what are anode mode. Okay, this is the most important. Okay, short time question also come. What is anode mode? The impurities which are present the impure coppers which are deposited at the bottom of the anodes, these impurities are known as what are anode modes. So this process we are the continue and repeated after these metals are the impure metals, the coppers are जब not completed, जब तक ये metals इसमें जितने भी है ये सब क्या हो जाएगा, जितना भी pure metals कॉपर जाके कैथोड में डिपोजिट होगा, और जितना भी impurities है इसमें एनोड का नीचे ये डिपोजिट हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is the process of electrolytics refining. Okay, so in this process we get the pure metal of copper, tin, nickel, gold, silvers are refined by this process. So next topic we have discussed, that is corrosion. So what is corrosion? Earlier classes we are, earlier chapter also we have discussed about corrosion. So corrosion is the process by which the metal surface the metal surface are eating away by the reaction of एयर और मॉइस्चर्स. ओके, जो मेटल का सरफेस वो क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है ड्यू टू द बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ और phenomena of corrosions. Okay, so corrosions, most of the metals are the happening the corrosions, mainly the irons. Examples are the mainly the iron, that is the water roasting of iron. Okay, in this process water, the irons are in the contact of air or oxygens, they are changed into iron oxides. Okay, iron oxides, this process is known as water roast. Okay, this are known as the iron are known as water roast, and this process are known as water roasting of irons. Any metal like silver, silver are also contact with the atmospheric moistures and change into a black coated. Okay, this is the water. The silver are also get corroded. Another metal like copper, this one also are contact with the air or moistures, and a green layer are formed the upper part of the copper metals. Okay, so this is what are corrosions. The metal surface are eaten away by the reaction of atmospheric air or water, is known as water corrosion. So next are the most important one, how to prevent the corrosions or prevention of corrosion. Okay, so prevention mainly various process are there. We have to prevent the corrosion process like the galvanizations. Okay, next are the alloying and greasing and paintings. So all these are the process to reduce the or prevent the corrosions. So one by one we are discuss. First one are the galvanizations. So what is galvanization? Galvanization is the process we are applying a coating of superior metals in inferior metals. Okay, for examples, in iron articles or tin articles, we apply the coating of zinc. Okay, by the process of galvanizations. Okay, another ones are the alloying. Alloying. Okay, alloying is a process by which we prepare alloy. Alloy is what are? It is a more superior metals by the combination of two or more metals or metal or non-metals. For examples are the alloying process. We are prepare the 22 karat gold. What are 22 karat gold? Okay, this is the suitable for make jewelry or ornaments. The pure gold we cannot make ornament or jewelry. That's why I use 22 karat gold. This one alloy of butter, 22 part gold, and other 2 parts what are copper or silver. Okay, so this is called what are 22 karat gold. So this is also one example of alloy. Many alloys are there. This is a brass. Okay, bronze. This one also alloys. Okay, so these alloys are also prevent for corrosions. Next one are the painting. Okay, the number third process of painting. We apply paint over iron articles or other metals articles. Then the irons are not roasted. Okay, paintings is one methods. That time all the automobiles parts you have to see, they have the paint by different colors. Okay, our home windows also we have to paint for prevent the corrosions. Okay, so painting is also one prevention methods. The another method are greasing or oiling. Okay, what are greasing or oiling? we apply grease. Okay, the automobiles engines or machinery body parts engines, we apply grease or oils for their better lubrications. Okay, for the long lasting of these engines, okay, we use what are grease or oils. In our cycles also we use what are engine grease or oils for the better lubricant. The cycle chains we have used, okay, bike automobiles, there are also used the oil or grease. So these one are the help to prevent corrosions. Okay, first one galvanization, alloying, paintings, macings, and alloy and oilings. Okay, so I think these chapters, all of the theory part are completed. Okay, so any doubt of any topics we have to doubt, then you have to contact with me or comment in this video. Okay, and next class we are discuss some important topic or some important questions of these chapters. Okay, so all of you are stay home and keep your learning process. Okay, thank you.